Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to NethaxStark YouTube channel. I am Stark and today we are going to do a CTF, and this is going to be like first CTF in this channel, and that CTF we're gonna do today is Bounty Hunter. So it is a easy CTF, so we'll start with easy CTF and we will try to compromise the system, and we'll try to break into the system and see what happens in this video. So let's start first of all. We have to do a nmap scan. So for nmap scan we have to type nmap, then let me do a aggressive scan. We can also do service version or script scan, but with the aggressive scan we can find things with easier. Okay, we can find things in easy way, in fast speed, or in aggressive, like it will give us full information of the system. Okay, so of the ports basically. So it started and we have to type here GoBuster. So I'm also trying to start GoBuster scan. So we'll type GoBuster dir for directory mode http. Here's our we have to type here our IP. That's our IP, and then next is -ww for word list. So we have to type here word list path and -z for the progress result. Okay, so as you can see it started, and let me just first go to this and let's check what is in the web server of the bounty hacker. Okay, so here's the index.php or index.html. so first we have to check page source. Okay, so this is recommended. You guys have to check page source. In page source sometimes we get lots of interesting informations. Okay, so nothing there. So let's read. Spike, oh look like you're finally up. It's more about 3 minutes. You can basically read it. So I'm trying to read it. Okay, so by reading that I just simply got a knowledge, like there are some users here. First is Spike, and second is IMED Edward in. Then okay, so there are some users here. So okay, so our nmap scan is completed and we found FTP port open, then we found SSH port open, and third one is HTTP, of course, on which web server is running right now. So in FTP we found a anonymous login. So if we found anonymous login, that's mean we can log in into the FTP, into the system, with the username and password named anonymous. So with this credential we can log in into the machine by FTP. Okay, so let's try to see what we can find here. So we find images. So let me go to, okay, wait a second, / images. Okay, so in images we found this crew.jpg. That's the crew image. So let's do a page source. By doing page source we nothing found here interesting, nothing interesting found here. So okay, so as you can see GoBuster scan is completed and it gave us html index.html and images, and both three are not reachable. As you can see, status is 403 and images it is redirecting. As you can see, its code is 301. Okay, so we have a FTP open, so let's try to FTP into the machine, into the machine. Okay, so as you can see upper, anonymous login is allowed, so we have to just type here anonymous. Okay, so as you can see, login successful, and by doing ls, okay, so we found here two txt files, so let's try to get both of them. logs.txt, that's the first file. Let's try to get the second file, which is task.txt. so here's the second file. Okay, so we downloaded both the files from FTP server. So as you can see, let's try to get into logs.txt, and what we can find here. Okay, so I think these all are the keys, I think passwords of the SSH. So as you can see, another port is open, which is 22, and on 22 definitely SSH is open right away. Okay, so we have to, I think these are the credentials, passwords lists to crack into the SSH. And okay, let me get task.txt. okay, task.txt, and what is it? Protect vicious, plan for red eye, pick up on the moon, Lin. So we got another user, which is Lin, and I think Lin is that user, and Lin's credentials like passwords are stored in the logs.txt file. So let's try. So we will try to do a hydra, brute force through hydra. Okay, so hydra dash l for, I think first of all let me type here help. Okay, hydra h maybe. Okay, yep, hydra h, and let's try to see the options here. Okay, so we will try dash l for login. So I know what's the login name, it's Lin, and dash p for password list, and the password list is logs.txt. we downloaded just now from FTP server. And then okay, then what we have to do, okay, then I have to just type dash t for task, run task number of connects in the parallel var target, and then where I have to put the IP address. Okay, so this is the example. Let's try this. Hydra, that's why hydra dash l is Lin, dash p for password are in home Stark. Okay, home. Wait a second, where are we right now? Okay, so we have to type here hydra dash l for the user, and the user I know is Lin because we get the text file, and in text file there's a user named Lin. Okay, then the password stored is in home slash stark, then slash is logs, I think logs.txt, and then let's try to put IP here as the IP. Then for thread is 4, and then we have to just simple test with SSH. Let's try if it let's see if this will work, or it will give us some error. Try 10 valid password found. Okay, so I think attacked. Okay, wait a second. ls cat logs.txt. Okay, clear ls cat task. Let's check what is that task or task thing and what's going on here. So we have to just protect. So I think it is Lin. Wait a second, let me type Hydra. And I think we did something wrong here. Logs.txt. Okay. Okay, then I think it is IP is correct, and then 96119. Okay, IP is correct. Okay, all thing is correct. I think okay. Let's see Hydra help one more time. Let's check Hydra dash h for help, and I think there's some error. Hydra L. Okay, I understood what's the error. Hydra SL. Oh, we just did an error, which is this. We have to type -p in capital. So -p in capital means password. Okay, and now as you can see, max 4 tasks per one server. So it started, and login link password, one valid password found. Okay, so we founded one valid password, and let's try to log in into SSH from len at the rate IP. Here's our IP. Yes, and we have to just paste down our password here. Paste. That's the password, and clear. So we are in the Lin bounty hacker. So is the user.txt. Okay, so we found one flag. ls cd. First of all, who am I? And let's check. We are Lin config, and we have to now fully compromise our system. Okay, so it's working on Ethernet 0. Let's check what processes are running in the background. Okay, wait a second. Okay, it's lin. We just type yes. Root. Okay, another root. Okay, okay. So let's clear this. Clear this. Cd ls. Let's check id. What's my id? Okay, so we are not root. Okay, so we have to fully compromise our system. That's why we need the root access. If we get root access, then we can also find root.txt flag, and uh, we will compromise our system by finding root user. Okay, so let's check sudo. It's laggy. I don't know why it's lagging. So we have to type a password of lin, which we found it in the brute forcing. So okay, user lin may run the following, which is root.tar. So let's go, let's check, let's read it, what's inside the tar window tar. Okay, so it is okay. So that thing, it is in ciphertext or it is encoded, so we cannot read that. So we have to search in Google uh, about bin tar bin tar. Let's see what we will find. Bash bin tar argument tar gtfo bins. Okay, so gtfo bins, I heard about it. It is it provides many type of codes. By typing the codes, we can simply get the root shell. If the binary is allowed to run the super user by sudo, it does not drop the elevated privileges and may be used to access the file system and escalate or maintain privilege access. So let's try, let's copy this. Wait a second, let's copy it and let's try to run this here. Okay, so I go to hash sign, so I think I'm root ls. Who am I? Who am I not found? We are root right now. As you can see, we are root. And let's go to root. Let's check cat root dot txt. So this is another flag we just found, and we fully compromised our system, uh, which is fully compromised the target, which is bug bounty bounty hunter, I mean bounty hunter CTF of Tryhackme, labeled easy CTF. So we just completed it and we fully compromised the system, and now we have root shell and we can basically do whatever we want in that system. So let's try to run history. We can also run it in normal user. HISTORY. I don't know why it is not running, never mind. Okay, let's try to change the users as you lin. So we are in the normal user, in the lin user. Now you can see all the previous command. I don't know who typed it, but we can see another user's command from this. So those guys typed them here. What's happening? I don't know why it is so laggy. What the fuck? I don't know. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. This city we just completed named Bounty Hunter of Tryhackme. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please uh, let me know if you enjoyed this video and if this video helped you. So thanks for watching. We will meet next time. Thank you.